Well, advance notice, you guys aren't caught by surprise and accidentally get caught by surprise and have to go back to the hotel or your campsite to change your undergarment. We are going to start the cars. So everybody in the midway, be well aware of the fact we're cranking this thing up. We don't want to catch anybody by surprise. If you guys would like to come in and join us, guys, as we fire this thing up, see what's under the hood of the number 10 car here.
Crank it up.
AAA Insurance and Transport Fusion. Remind you guys that right after this, we're going to give away a whole bunch of free t-shirts, hats, koozies, and earplugs for every race fan out there. So if you guys will start collecting in this area right here in front of our tent, we're going to get up on top of the rig after we get done running the car. We're going to start throwing out pairs of earplugs. The earplugs will have letters written on them that signify you guys have won a t-shirt or a hat or a koozie. So guys, make sure that you're in this area here. We're about to fire off the number 10 AAA Ford Fusion. Run it for a couple of minutes, rev it up a little bit, and then we're going to start tossing stuff off the top of the trailer for you guys to hook up on free goodies from your friends at AAA Mid-Atlantic.
Gotta prime it first. Uh-oh. Try again. Yeah! There it is!
Alright guys, attention to the midway. You see a lot of folks gathering in this area right here. In exactly 2 minutes, we're going to throw out thousands of free pairs of AAA earplugs. Some will be marked with letters on them that signify you want a t-shirt or a hat or a AAA koozie.